Hello my friends, today I'm preparing cool exercise for middle split. Yes, so let's begin. First of all, it's not unusual thing. We do exercise frog because the best exercise for middle split I think. So also let me know in the comments how to do this exercise. You go to this position. Yes, and just wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, the next one will exercise with breathing. Yes, breathe in, go up, and breathe out, go down. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, super. The next, try to up your leg. 1 and another. Super. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 2 at the same times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. Also have a rest. Save energy for the next exercise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, cool. So the next one will be this exercise. Okay, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so breathe in and breathe out. You also can have a rest in this position. You can feel your straight because of wonderful feelings. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. Cool. The next one, we go in this position. Also, you can take the circle blocks and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also, you can have a rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. Also, this position you can change. Yes, also, this training will be for middle pupil or advanced, not for beginner, because middle split it's a very difficult exercise, yes, element, and so maybe in the next video I will prepare easier exercise for learning, yes, for beginners. So let's continue our training. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. And repeat this exercise from front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, and have a rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. So the next one will be this. Take your heel and also try to up your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, change legs, please. Okay, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so let's try to do middle split. So okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so thank you so much for this short training. So this training was for not beginner, yes, please remember about this, for middle or advanced. So thank you so much for watching this video. Share this video from your friends and send message. Let's start doing something new. Yes, learn and do sport, because it's from this you can get very good emotions for you. So thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.